handloom industry is one of the traditional industries of Kerala, but today the handloom textile sector is in doldrums because of various factors, forcing weavers to shift of other jobs to earn a living. Kerala's handloom industry faces many severe problems such as financial problems, irregular payment of dues of the products supplied, lack of rebate assistance to weaving accessories, and charging of high interest rates by financial institutions are some of them. Madam Speaker, you know Kannur Handlooms is world famous. It has historical importance also. Home furnishing products from my constituency, Kannur was exported even during British rule to Commonwealth countries. Till 2004, due to important duty concessions under multi-fiber agreement, good quantity was produced in handlooms. The high-quality products were used to decorate White House, Buckingham Palace, Palace, and other palaces also. Considering the outstanding export performance, Kannur was recognized by Commerce Ministry with the Town of Export Excellence status in 2004. More than 1 lakh people were employed in handloom weaving, powerloom weaving, dyeing, stitching, and packing areas. Foreign buyers reduced the purchase of handlooms from 2005, leading to more production from the 2 minutes. It is very important. 5 lakhs people.
You should not
very important,
read it
madam.
out 2 pages something.
But leading to more production from power looms. But our honorable minister is also here, textile minister. But the global economic recession has caused a serious setback. Honorable minister has agreed to come and visit Kannur. But the global economic recession has caused a serious setback to the textile industry, with orders coming down by 50%. More than 50,000 people have left their jobs due to lower work availability. Hence, I request the Honorable Finance Minister to introduce, and the Textile Minister to introduce welfare measures to strengthen the weavers in the states, such as providing financial assistance for house construction, providing pension and expansion of facilities for dyeing and designing, modernization of old looms, skill upgradation of weavers, etc. Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute.
She is answering. What? Only
1 minute, madam. Now the weavers. Now, madam. 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Power looms, madam. Power looms. Madam, now the weavers are switching to powerloom from handloom, and the textile minister has introduced the comprehensive integrated scheme for powerloom sector development for the welfare of powerloom weavers. At this juncture, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that the yarn used for powerloom production, cone yarn, attracts 5% VAT against 0% for hang yarn during the VAT regime. Now, so, madam, that GST is being implemented from the 1st of July 2017. I request the Honorable Minister for Textiles to make recommendations to the GST Council and the Honorable Minister for Finance to bring the tax on cone yarn to 0%, which will benefit millions of weavers. Madam, thank you, madam.
If any paper is not there, yes, you want to?
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for your kindness so that I can respond to the Honourable Member. 2-3 points that I direct my Honourable colleague's attention to. The rest I'll send in writing to her. We have in the Government of India ensured that old looms by weavers can be replaced by new looms, wherein Government of India will pay 90% cost to the weaver so that the loom can be renewed. Also, we have started an app called eDhaga, wherein a weaver sitting at home can actually give the order for the yarn and track the entire process till the delivery of the yarn. My request to the Honourable Member is that on the 4th of January, we started a special helpline, the first in the history of India, especially for weavers, called Bunkar Mitra Helpline. The number, it's functional 7 days a week, 10 to 6, including in regional languages. Number is 1-800-208-9988. You can please request weavers in your constituency to call. I will personally also visit Kannur and try and help to the best of my ability.
भारत के अंदर अनेक उन्नत नस्ल की गायें हैं, जिनको चुरा करके ले जा करके विदेश वाले क्रॉस करा करके होलेस्टीन, फ्रीजियन, ये कौन कौन गाय बना करके फिर हम वापस लाते हैं।